ALS Alternative Learning Systems.
Hello everyone, I am Ranjan Singh, Faculty of History at ALS IAS. We are going to start with History Optional Foundation course for CSE 2025 as well as CSE 2026 aspirants. This course will be available in both offline and online mode, and the batch will start on 18th of June at our 𝗂𝗏𝗏𝗵𝗵 Center. The timings will be 2:30 p.m. to 5 p.m. But most important, that why you should join this course, what is new, what is innovative, and why you should enroll in this course. The first and the foremost is the nature of lectures, where we have a special focus on historians' views and debate, where we have a special focus on the map pointing section. At the same time, we will also dig deep in those topics which are being repeatedly asked by UPSC in our history optional paper. That is what is called as a smart study. Apart from this program also includes your answer writing sessions and regular class tests, which will help you to improve your answer writing skill. And on top of that, we will have a full-fledged revision program where you will be provided your revision schedule along with the support of mentors and the doubt clearing sessions with faculty, which will help you to not only revise your things or the content which you have read, but also will help you to consolidate what you have read, and thus will be like polishing your preparation, and this will help you to score good marks in your exam. So please come and join us on 18th June 2024 at our 𝗂𝗏𝗏𝗵𝗵𝗵𝗵 Center. Thank you.